Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect PayPal to Google Pay, integration guide step by step clearly. First, confirm that Google Pay is available in your country and that your device supports NFC payments. Update the Google Wallet or Google Pay app to the latest version from the Google Play Store. Make sure your PayPal account is active and verified with a confirmed email address. Open the PayPal app and sign in using the same account you plan to use for payments. Go to the Wallet section in PayPal and check that you have at least one eligible card or bank funding source connected. If you do not have a card linked, add a debit or credit card to PayPal and complete any verification prompts. Now open the Google Wallet or Google Pay app on your Android phone. Tap the option to add a payment method in the app. Choose the option to add PayPal if it appears in the list of available payment methods. If PayPal is not shown, check your app region settings and ensure you are using a supported Google account. Select PayPal and tap Continue to begin linking. When prompted, sign in to your PayPal account inside the Secure Connection screen. Review the permissions request so you understand what Google Pay can access from PayPal. Tap Agree or Allow to authorize the connection between PayPal and Google Pay. If PayPal asks for two-factor authentication, enter the code sent to your phone or Authenticator app. Wait for the confirmation screen that says PayPal has been added successfully. Return to the main wallet screen and locate PayPal under your payment methods. Set PayPal as your default payment method if you want it to be used automatically. If you want a different default, keep your preferred card as default and use PayPal only when selected. Go to your phone settings and open Connected Devices or NFC settings depending on your model. Turn on NFC and make sure Tap to Pay is enabled for contactless payments. In Google Wallet, open Tap to Pay setup and confirm your screen lock is enabled for security. Add a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint if your phone asks you to set one before paying. Do a small test purchase online where Google Pay is offered and select PayPal at checkout. For in-store testing, unlock your phone and hold it near the payment terminal when prompted to tap. If a payment fails, double-check that your PayPal balance or linked funding source has enough funds. If linking fails, remove PayPal from wallet, restart the phone, and try the linking process again. If PayPal still does not appear, update both apps, verify your country support, and contact PayPal or Google Pay support for eligibility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.